In an example here, it says a company manufactures windows needed to determine the amount of glass required to make hexagonal prisms or hexagonal window. We're told PQ is parallel to TS. So let's mark that. We know PQ is parallel to TS. We're told R is the midpoint of PT. So in other words, I know PR and RT are the same. And we know S to T is 12 inches. Well, because we have parallel lines, we should look for all those things we know about parallel lines, like alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding. So I've got this angle T here and the angle P up there. So I know angle T in my triangle, more particularly angle RTS, is congruent to angle RPQ. And then I can say the same thing. I'm going to switch colors here. RST. Put an arc there. That's congruent to PQR or PQS. So why are these two triangles congruent? Well, they're congruent by angle, side. Now that I know they're congruent, and notice we've got this triangle here, and the base is 12. Well, if I draw in the height, and we know since each side is 12, I can go around here because they're all going to be congruent, aren't they? So I've got each side being 12, and then I'm just going to look at the distance from one side to the other. And we're going to throw that one out. I'm not going to ask any questions about that one because we haven't talked about what those angles are and how we get those. That's a little bit different. So we're only going to do part A on this one. You don't have to do part B. In fact, hopefully by the time I print this, you don't have a part B. Now, another way of showing triangles are congruent is angle, side. So the difference between this one is the side isn't included. Notice it goes angle, then we have a side. Now, it's got to correspond, obviously, otherwise it wouldn't be true. In our next video, we are going to show you why this is true.